Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Ford F250. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 108,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches or dents, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include navigation system, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.